Today's topic is essay, and the essay is myself. In grade 1 and grade 2, usually students write essays in sentences and in number wise. So let's start. My name is, what is your name? You will write here. My name is Khalid. My name is Hassan. My name is Aisha. I am 7 years old. I am 8 years old, 9 years old. I live in Karachi, Lahore, Ahmedabad, Jhelum, India, Bangladesh. Where do you live? You will write here. My father name is, or what is the name of your father? You will write here. My mother name is, I read in class 1, class 2. My school name is, what is the name of your school? You will write here. My favorite subject is English, maths, drawing. English, maths, drawing. My favorite sport is cricket, hockey, playing video games, football. Like which sport do you like? You will write here. My favorite color is red, pink, white, black. My hobby is gardening. My hobby is reading books. My hobby is playing video games. What is your hobby? You can write over here. My favorite teacher is English teacher or Urdu teacher, or you can write the name of teacher. My school name is, you can write here. I wrote this sentence here 2 times, so you can skip it. My friend is, or my friend name is Ahmed, Hassan, Ali, Abbas. You can add sentence in all these sentences that I am Pakistani, I am Bengali, I am Indian, I am Afghani. From where you belong, from which country, you can write here. And the last sentence is, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a pilot. Whatever you want to become, you can write here. In this way, you can complete your essay about myself. So here I wrote the same essay in the paragraph, so you can see. If you want to write in sentences number wise, you can write, and if you want to write it in paragraph, you also can write it. Myself. My name is Sarah Khan. I am 7 years old. I am 8 years old. I live in Lahore. My father name is Zahid. He is a doctor. My mother name is Salma. I read in class 2. My school name is Dan Public School. I am a Pakistani. I am an Indian. I am a Bengali. I am an Afghani. My favorite subject is maths or English. I like to play cricket. I like to play hockey, or I like to play football. My hobby is reading book. My hobby is to play video games. My hobby is gardening. I want to become a pilot, teacher, doctor. So in this way, we can write essay on myself.